What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a blissful year. I know I haven't posted in a month. I was going through something. We'll talk about it in a later video, but if you felt like shit today, let's flush it down the toilet. So let's talk about it. Alright guys, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. If you're feeling like shit, I want you to understand and I want you to know that you are more than what you've been through, okay? So don't linger on the negativity. Don't try to be like, oh man, I don't get why this girl don't like me. I don't get why stuff is going wrong in my life, you know? Shit happened. Remember that. Now, if shit happened, what do? You flush it down the toilet, right? That's how you get rid of it. And rinse and repeat, y'all, okay? You know, oftentimes we go through a situation in our life and, you know, we're doing well, and all of a sudden, bam, you know, we fall back down, we're tumbling. But you know what? Try to stay positive, and I want you to keep your head up high and take it day by day. Relax, breathe, you know what I'm saying? Love yourself. You've probably been through a lot of trials and tribulation in your life, and you're like, man, when can I have a break, you know? But I want to tell you something. As long as you keep pursuing your dream, pursuing your goal, or trying to make a change, or trying to make a difference, eventually it's going to happen. So don't give up. If you feel like crap, I want you to remember something, that you're more than the pain you experience in your life, okay? We all go through pain, you know? We all go through love. We all go through all that, you know? But you got to be strong mentally, and you got to have a heart to be like, yo, you know what? Shit happened, you know? If it's not something I can control, that's something I got to let go, you know? And that's for your sanity, okay? So if you ever feel that way, just remember, love yourself. Okay, when you learn how to love yourself, I guarantee you, it'll be a whole different horizon in your life. You're like, what the hell? What's this? You got good people coming your way, because it's like laws of attraction, man. You put yourself out there with love, kindness, and heartfelt situation, stuff like that. It's going to come back to you tenfold, okay? So, be yourself. Love what you do. Try to be confident. Let's say, for example, you dated somebody and then all of a sudden, you know, they broke your heart because they cheated on you, stuff like that, right? But you gotta understand something. If you're a good person, okay, somebody else is gonna appreciate you the way you appreciate the love you have for somebody else, right? I know it's gonna make you feel like shit because you give it your all and all of a sudden it fell apart because of somebody's childish behavior. So if you're dealing with heartbreak and it's making you feel like shit, just remember, like, there's some more fishes in the sea, and if you're a good person, somebody's gonna see that in you, and they're gonna follow suit, you know? Time heals all wounds, remember that. Just give it some time. You know, find something else to do, you know, just to get that off your mind. It hurts, I know it feel like shit when somebody cheat on you or somebody break up with you, when all you did was ever love them and care for them. But it's okay, y'all, you know? That just shows you that that person's not the one for you, okay? Make life easier when you find out the truth. If you feel like shit because, you know, you give so much love and kindness out there and it's not reciprocating, and it's making you feel like shit because you spend so much time and energy on people and you're not receiving the same energy. And now you're hurt, now you're depressed, now you're stressed. But I want to tell you something. If you got a good heart, man, you will get far in life. It's okay. You're going to meet people like that. Maybe you're put in a situation where, you know, you have to be in their life for them to understand that there are good people out in this world. Okay, so don't feel like shit. Feel proud of yourself, you know? Congratulate yourself that, you know, you're a good person. If you try a lot in life and you fail in all type of career, obstacle, whatever it is you're going through, you know, and it's making you feel like shit, it's okay. I want to tell you something. At least you tried, you know what I mean? You know, if you try to dunk on a basketball court and you can't reach the rim, hey, look, you tried. Some people just think about it, dream about it, you know? But you actually take time and jump and try to dunk on the rim. You see, it's a big difference, right? And look, now you know that you can't do it. And it's okay. But if you got NBA 2K, you can play the game and dunk all day. If you're feeling like shit, I want you to remember, what you've been through does not determine who you are as a person. You know, it doesn't determine your worth, okay? You are very valuable. Because no one look like you, no one dress like you, no one act like you, okay? That's why everybody look different in this world. That's why everybody got different talent in this world. You know, you are unique. Just remember that. You feel like shit, I want you guys to understand that it's temporary. You know, you let it all out, you flush it down, and what? How does it feel? You feel good, right? So, let's keep this like this, okay? And I hope and pray that this chair brings you nothing but the best, okay? Try focusing on yourself. Alright? I think self-care and self-love is very important, you guys. Okay? And I want you to practice loving yourself. You know, praying for yourself. Put you first. Make yourself a priority. You never have to feel like shit doing things for other people. It's okay. You know? You live and you learn, okay? Alright guys, if you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. I promise you guys, I'll post more videos, okay? I'm gonna try to do this on a daily, non-stop, grind it out, because I want to raise the channel up, and maybe my channel help you guys out. You know, if you're going through a situation, watch my videos, and this is a whole different comfort zone for me as well. I think it's weird to talk to the camera and not having it reply back to me, but it's okay, man. This is what I want to do, and I hope you guys appreciate my stuff. You know, I got a lot of stuff coming out, and hopefully you guys follow suit. Come join the family. Let's get it. Let's go. One love, y'all. Peace.